everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 20 creative ways to draw and cut a circle. Yes, 20. You might think, why do we need so many ways to make a circle? Trust me, by the end of this video you will know why. Circles are everywhere in crafting and these methods will make your work easier and more fun. Method 1. Compass and scissors. First one is super simple. Take a piece of paper and fold it in half, then using a pencil draw a semicircle along the fold. Now take your scissors and carefully cut along the line. Once you open a paper, you will see a perfect circle. This method is great when you want to make symmetrical circles quickly. Method 2. Compass and cutting knife. For the second method, grab a compass, draw a full circle of your paper. Don't fold this time. After that, take a cutting knife and carefully cut along the circle. Be slow and steady, or the circle might look wobbly. This is great if you want a super neat and sharp edge circle. Method 3. Coffee mug stencil. Now let's get creative. Go to your kitchen, take a coffee mug or cup and place it upside down on paper. Trace around the edge with a pencil. Then cut along the line with scissors. Done. Perfect circles without any special tools. Just make sure mug isn't full of coffee or your craft will turn into a coffee spill disaster. Method 4. Circular paper cutter. If you love crafting, you will want this tool. A circular paper cutter lets you set the size of your circle, place it on your paper, adjust the radius and turn it. The tool does all the work for you. Perfect for when you need a lot of circles quickly. Method 5. Punch tool. This one is great for small circles. Take a punch tool, place the paper inside, press down and out comes a perfect little circles. It's super easy and great for card making or concreting. Method 6. Protractor. If you don't have a compass, no problem. Use a protractor instead. Draw a half circle, then rotate the protractor and complete the other half. Now cut it out and you have got your circle. It's a bit more work but gets the job done. Method 7. Paper folding. This one is my favorite. Take your paper and fold it multiple times like an accordion. Then cut the tip into a curve. When you unfold it, you will get a perfect circle. This reminds me of those childhood crafts we used to do. It's so satisfying. Method 8. String compass. Here is a DIY hack. Tie a string to a pencil. Hold the other end at the center of your paper and pull the string tight. Then draw a circle by keeping the string stretched. It's like a homemade compass and works surprisingly well. Method 9. Rotary cutter. Rotary cutters are amazing. They look like pizza cutters but for paper. Draw your circles first. Then roll the rotary cutter along the line. You'll get such a clean edge with this tool, but don't use your pizza cutter. Crafts and food don't mix well. Method 10. Coins or small objects. Need small circles? Use coins or bottle caps. Place them on your paper, trace around them and cut. It's quick and easy way to make consistent small circles. Method 11. Tape roll. If you have an empty tape roll lying around, use it as a stencil. Trace inner or outer edge of the roll and cut out your circle. This is especially useful for your larger circles. Method 12. Freehand drawing. This one is for the adventurous crafters. Just take a pencil, draw a circle freehand. It might not be perfect, but that's okay. Sometimes imperfections add character. Method 13. Mark and eyeball. Mark a few points on your paper to guide you. Then connect them to draw a rough circle. Once it's done, cut along the line. This method is great if you don't have tools but want something close to a circle. Method 14. Hand rotation. Place your scissors on the paper, hold them steady and rotate the paper instead of moving the scissors. This trick makes cutting much more easier and gives you smooth edge. Method 15. Tear by hand. If you want a rustic natural look, tear the paper into circle by hand. It won't be perfect but that's what makes it charming. Great for journaling and scrapbook projects for sure. Method 16. Spiral drawing. Start at the center of your paper, draw a spiral outward, then cut along the line. It creates a unique circle that's great for layered crafts. Method 17, wrist anchor technique. This is one of my favorite. Place your wrist down on the paper to anchor it. Hold a pencil in your finger and keep your wrist steady. Now rotate the paper underneath your hand. As the paper moves, your pencil will create a perfect circle. It's so simple and works beautifully. Method 18, dashed line illusion. For this one, draw a rough circle using a dashed line. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once you have outlines, cut along the dashed line while imagining the complete circle. It's almost like freehand cutting, but with a little guidance. Method 19, spiral cutting. It's a bonus option. Take a large circle and cut it into a spiral shape, leaving a small gap as you go. Once you are done, stretch it out to create a fun wavy spiral. It's not just a circle anymore. It's a decoration. It's like creating your own paper toy and having fun with it. Method 20, the last one, printed circle template. This one is a lifesaver for those who want absolute precision. Go online or use design software like Canva. It's an online free tool to create a circle template. Print it out on regular paper, place it over your crafting material and cut along the printed circle. And that's all. 20 ways to draw and cut a circle. So, which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more fun crafting ideas. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye bye.